Hello, my name is Rosa Maria Reina Rodriguez, and I'm going to talk about my activity of auto-reflection of the Unit 2. Let's start. I consider that it has been very useful to know and remember the comprehension strategies that we practice during this subject, with which we can more easily interpret, analyze, assimilate, and retain the reading in English or nutrition or any other subject and language. I do not consider it to be necessary to make changes. There were many and very practical strategies. I hope to continue putting all or some of them into practice to increase my knowledge in different subjects. The strategies that I use the most are to underline either the word that I do not know, the most important things or keywords, to scan carefully the reading with an emphasis on certain information, to make note of relevant information, and to summarize the important information or what I understood about the topic. However, now that I know the advantage of the others, I can also put them into practice for any other subject. This subject expanded my knowledge of the English language with the grammar that we learn and practice in this course, with the exercise that we developed during it, and with the strategies that helped me analyze and understand more easily the reading of the topics that we are analyzing. Thank you.